Points Network. Today, I will be presenting Atmanirbhar Bharat, a sarcasm written by Meghdut Prasad. But before that, I would like to wish everyone a very happy May Day or greetings on Mazdoor Divas.
I am Sandalan Israr from News Moment English.
Literal meaning of Atmanirbhar Bharat is self-dependent, self-reliant. It is used in every sense, that is, in the context of a woman, girl, young boy in the family or for the society, for the state or in the long run for the country. Till now, it was not a political word, and nowadays Atmanirbhar has been made a political word. Definitely, its meaning has changed. It means one will have to be self-dependent in the sense of hospital, employment, and in the every sphere of life. It signifies that elected government will do nothing for you except making business for availing anything for its own public who voted for them to be in the power. Things which concerns for making businesses are vaccine doses, petrol, MSP for grains, or anything else which matters for general public. If anyone protests the acts of that government, he or she would be leveled charges of sedition. One will have positive thoughts towards ruling party. If he negates, it will be regarded as anti-national and might be behind bars for years to come.
बायोफिना, ड्रिंक हेल्दी स्टे हेल्दी, देश का पानी देशवासियों के लिए. फॉर ट्रेड इंक्वायरी मेल care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800-258-7060.
In Atmanirbhar Bharat, the ruling party is self-dependent in hiding real facts of COVID deaths or managing most of the media or any other such planning. If somehow it does not become possible, then circulars are issued to punish for so-called rumors. Here rumors mean real facts which are against ruling party, which are real truths of COVID death or of no supply of oxygen. It can be assumed that the definitions of rumors have also been changed. You may say that in real sense, rumors are ground reports of dying people due to mismanagement, burning bodies. On one hand, government authorities are issuing circulars not to panic for oxygen as it is sufficiently available, but people are in long queue for that.
Situation is very critical. Wife is helpless, seeing her husband dying on the road, or in autos, or in ambulances without oxygen. Son is the witness of death of his father, who looked after him for years, who played with him in the childhood, who bears on his shoulder. Sister witnessing her brother dying without oxygen, who played with her, whom she believed too much, whom she could share her very personal thoughts. After his death, there will be no one left for her. Father cannot see his son dying, but lack of oxygen and mismanagement has made it possible. Even these tragedy scenes do not melt their hearts as they are hunger of power only. They are busy in making Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now it's very clear the definition of Atmanirbhar Bharat. You may die in footpaths, but it should not be seen in digital or print media. Otherwise, you should be ready for punishment with sedition charges.
सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ. मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for session 2021 to 22 at Durgapur. And for more details, please contact 9434-8222.
In Atmanirbhar Bharat, leaders are in hunger of power, can campaign in the election, can spread COVID among crowd, but one cannot open shops or coaching center. Everyone knows that democracy brings power. So in the name of democracy, you are allowed to do anything you want. You can bring danger to lakhs of people. These horrific scenes may reach in crores. It does not matter for ruling parties. Some leaders have strong ideas about COVID. Some are exploring a new ideas to inculcate the habit of living without oxygen for many days, like ancient old storybooks. But they will not make endeavor for oxygen. They may talk of immunity, but without enough money to eat. They can talk about vaccination festival in lack of vaccination. They can do it only in Atmanirbhar Bharat. Perhaps it's now clearer to you the definition and the meaning of Atmanirbhar Bharat. But keep your mouth closed. Don't whisper a single word in Vishwaguru India. Don't malign the image of India or sedition charges will be slapped. Rest is after the break.
Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Prevention is better than cure. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hands regularly. Use sanitizer. Avoid contact with others. Wear mask. Avoid social gathering. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest by Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll-free number 1800-258-7060.
Indian government wants to make the people of India and its states Atmanirbhar. So it has decided to avail COVID vaccine for center at the rate of rupees 150 per dose, for states at the rate of 600 per dose, and for private hospitals at the rate of rupees 1200 per dose. Basic principle is Atmanirbhar Bharat. It cannot do anything in the name of one nation, one price, one law. People and opposition leaders should understand this, that it just means for love jihad or for spreading religious hatred among people. It does not fit for vaccine. Above all, medicine is prepared by pharma companies. It's suitable time for them to earn. The government cannot compel them for one price. Understand the matter. If it happens, how it will get donation for election purposes, how it will get money for Ram Temple and so on. It is also in the same way suitable for oxygen cylinders, ambulance and any articles related for vast mass of India. Whenever any worst thing happens, it is the responsibility of states to be the part of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Center might allocate 20% fund of any project and states will have to provide 80%. But states cannot name the project on its own. It's simple rule of Atmanirbhar Bharat. A very fascinating slogan, isn't it?
Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll-free number 1800-258-7060.
In Atmanirbhar Bharat, one cannot break protocols between center and state. Otherwise, one will not be able to spread lies. There is no need of transparency. It should be only one pen and paper. Public should not know what liars are shared to them. Lies and fascinating slogans are the pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat. It does not mean any reliefs to general public. It only means system to manage lies on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and so-called WhatsApp University. If any CM makes live the conversation, he stops lies and becomes obstacle in the planning of lies. Oh, government wants to be Atmanirbhar Bharat not by serving the people but by compelling to face their problems on its own. You may burn your dead bodies on road if there is no place in crematorium. You may place dead bodies nearby graves. It's for the public to decide. Government has nothing to do for that. Public is solely responsible. Do you have no knowledge that in Atmanirbhar Bharat, one will have to perform everything on its own? Government is for the crucial matters like constructing Ram Mandir, one nation, one rule, for constructing Central Vista, for buying Rafale, for buying aeroplanes of rupees 16,000 crores, for national leaders of ruling party, for Man Ki Baat, for boasting, for show of Atmanirbhar Bharat without any concrete planning. Rest is after the break.
सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ। मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for session 2021 to 22 at Durgapur. And for more details, please contact 9434
In Atmanirbhar Bharat, second wave of COVID has compelled most of middle class and lower class people to return back to their native villages, to abandon their livelihood, to wish to die in their native village. Now they are queuing up for train tickets. On the other hand, government is announcing that train tickets are available. No need to hurry, but ground reality is there is no ticket. One should know that they can avail private buses in Atmanirbhar Bharat, but they are waiting on platforms, spending what they have. Somehow, they want to reach their destinations. They do not want to face hardship of walking when another lockdown might be imposed to control COVID deaths as its only option left without oxygen, without vaccination and so on. Perhaps Ram Rajya is very close to them when none dare to go outside the village. No service, no employment. If none understand the meaning of Ram Rajya, what the leaders can do. They advocate for Ram Rajya and people voted them to power. It is the real picture of Ram Rajya, with no need of rail, no mobile, no entertainment, no education, etc. All that will be limited to some high-profile persons. Perhaps it's too late to understand the meaning of Ram Rajya and Atmanirbhar Bharat.
बायोफिना, ड्रिंक हेल्दी स्टे हेल्दी, देश का पानी देशवासियों के लिए. फॉर ट्रेड इंक्वायरी मेल care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800-258-7060.
In Atmanirbhar Bharat, weeds of death in the city of love, heat-wrenching scenes, cry of husband for her dying wife, or wife for husband, cry of sister for brother, cry of father for his son and daughter is very common. Long queues of oxygen shows the strength of its willpower, although the government claims of sufficient supply of oxygen, announcing for punishment if anyone found spreading rumors in this context. Railways are carrying oxygen, but people are demanding oxygen. Real scene is no bed in hospital, no ambulance for COVID dead bodies either. It is Prayagraj or Lucknow, Agra or Delhi, the national capital of India, or in most places of India. No humanity, only business. If you are prepared for Atmanirbhar Bharat, do it now or be ready to die.
Biofina, drink healthy, stay healthy. Prevention is better than cure. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hands regularly. Use sanitizer. Avoid contact with others. Wear mask. Avoid social gathering. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest by Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll-free number 1800-258-7060.
Can any living court remain mute spectator, or will it react till it exists? Before Ram Rajya, Madras High Court reacted and has shown the sign of living court. It reacted. It asked why Election Commission cannot be punished. Let us know what it said. Madras High Court on Monday, 26th April 2021, held the Election Commission singularly responsible for India's second COVID wave, called it the most irresponsible institution, and said its official might be booked for murder. It said that the Commission's decision to let political parties organize rallies had led the resurgence of the pandemic. Where you are living on another planet, the bench of Chief Justice Sanjeev Banerjee and Justice S. Ramamurthy asked Commission officials. Last week, Calcutta High Court has censured the Commission over the lax of enforcement of COVID safety norms during the ongoing election. Public health is of paramount importance. It is distressing that the constitutional authorities have to be reminded in such regard. The Madras bench said, it is only when the citizen survives that he will be able to enjoy the rights that a democratic public guarantees. Rest is after the break.
In Atmanirbhar Bharat, constructions of Central Vista is continued amid deaths of COVID second wave. It has been included in the essential services. 20,000 crores are said to be invested for showing the strength of Atmanirbhar Bharat. No humanity is shown for dying people. Can it be stopped for the time being when economy of India is in doldrum due to lockdown, fleeing of laborers? Every political party is demanding to stop its construction, but the country is adamant for Atmanirbhar Bharat. How it can be done? The nation can easily understand the priority of the government between Central Vista and COVID deaths. Let us pray for peace.
सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ। मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th स्टूडेंट। गेट अप टू 50% स्कॉलरशिप फॉर सेशन 2021 to 22 at Durgapur. And for more details, please contact 9434 8222.
Previously, Gentle People of India has queued up for the transfer of money during monetization. Nothing concrete result came out. Dozens of people died. But our national leader promised to show its result within 50 days. Otherwise, he should be hanged, and for impressive impact, he queued his old mother in the long queue. People then believed him, but 99% money came back in the bank. This time people are in queue for their turn for oxygen, or for the burning their bodies, or for placing them in graves. In most of the cities, burning of dead bodies have become common in Atmanirbhar Bharat. Let us wait to experience more in the coming days.
Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll free number 1800-258-7060.
If you liked our article on Atmanirbhar Bharat, please like, share and subscribe our channel, News Moment. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification. Thank you for watching the full video.